Well, not only can you see the thick, dense fog we have across the area, you feel it, how humid this January day has been and how mild things have remained even into the evening down toward Perrysburg. Very difficult to even see to the end of the boulevard at Levis Commons due to some of that thick fog, and we're expecting that fog sticks around another couple hours into early tomorrow morning. We're at 44 degrees. We'll hold fairly steady here in the low to mid 40s, and fog's widespread. Looking at quarter to half mile visibility, most areas below 1 mile of visibility. And I do expect the thickest of the fog sticks around another 2 to 3 hours. And then the rain begins right around 2 to 4 a.m. Starts to kind of lift that fog across the area. Dense fog advisories, at least a good chunk of our viewing area. Those dense fog advisories will take place into early tomorrow morning. As part of a dynamic storm system, it is bringing some heavier snow from the western Great Lakes back into the central plains. Strong and severe storms again here in early January. Now down across the Gulf Coast states where they're at a moderate or an elevated risk, we should say, of strong to severe storms. We don't expect we're going to get any strong storms, but perhaps a rumble of thunder will be possible tonight as this rain does pick up across the area. Heavier rain still several hours out, arrives between 2 and 4 a.m. And I do expect it's going to come with a surge of warmer weather. And that begins by tomorrow morning. Some of the latest data showing we're warming fairly quickly. And there it is. Could we do it? Record warmth possible tomorrow as we reach into the lower 60s. And some of the latest data is suggesting vast majority of the area is going to be up into the low 60s. We'll stay mild into Tuesday evening with a continued chance of showers. Here's the arrival of that rain. And again, it's after 2 a.m. Between 2 and 4 a.m. is when the heaviest of the rain does come into the area. Could come with a few rumbles of thunder tonight. Soaking rain into tomorrow morning. If you're an early riser looking to get the new year started, back to work, count on it being very wet tomorrow morning. Wet and soggy conditions, a little bit of lingering fog, but very mild weather as the rain showers begin to taper off late morning and early afternoon. This is when we go surging. Those 60s I showed you down to the south going to be lifting to the north. I am concerned some Lake Erie shore regions, you may stay considerably cooler, and southern Michigan has a chance we stay considerably cooler as well. Now, as far as rainfall, could exceed an inch or more of rainfall. I don't expect any major flooding issues as our ground is going to be able to soak a lot of this up as it's unfrozen. Rain going to become likely tonight. 42 the overnight low, possibly even a rumble of thunder with that fog still lingering. We'll start tomorrow morning in the 40s, but quickly jumping mid to late afternoon towards 60 or warmer. And I do expect it will be a wet and unsettled feeling day. From the 60s, near record warmth on Tuesday, back into the 50s Wednesday. Showers that will continue, lots of clouds, more clouds into Thursday. We push toward cooler weather Thursday, Friday, back in the upper 30s. A weak system on Saturday, light rain snow mix, nothing of a big deal. And then quiet conditions into next week. We'll stay in the upper 30s to just shy of 40 degrees under mostly cloudy skies.